Have you ever thought that a simple midday nap could either be a powerful tool for healing or a silent killer that drains your energy and weakens your health? Welcome back to Live Healthy Every Day, where ancient wisdom meets modern science to help you thrive. Today, we'll uncover a long-lost secret from traditional Eastern medicine, how the way you rest at noon could change everything, from your mood to your heart, from your focus to your lifespan. Stay with us till the end, because this is more than just a nap. It's an ancient ritual that could transform your well-being. In the old days, wise Eastern masters believed that the most powerful form of self-care doesn't come from expensive medicine or exotic superfoods. It comes from how and when you rest. To them, the midday break, especially during the hour of the horse, between 11 o'clock in the morning and 1 o'clock in the afternoon, was sacred. This wasn't about taking a quick power nap at your desk. It was about aligning with the body's natural energy cycles to restore your chi, the vital life force. But in today's modern world, we've traded stillness for speed and silence for stimulation. And as a result, many people are unknowingly damaging their health, simply by napping the wrong way. Eastern medicine tells us that between 11 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, your body's heart meridian reaches its peak. This is the time when yang energy, the warming, energizing force, is at its highest. If you rest during this window, your heart relaxes, your nervous system resets, and your mind becomes sharper. But if you skip this time window or rest at the wrong hour, your body is forced to operate against its natural rhythm, causing stress, fatigue, and over time, long-term damage to your cardiovascular and immune systems. This isn't just theory. Stories from history, like that of legendary physician Hua Tuo, show how he healed a dying man not with drugs, but simply by restoring his midday rest routine. Look around any office at noon and you'll likely see the same thing. People slumped over their desks, heads on folded arms, catching a few quick Z's. But you know, this common habit is terrible for your health. Sleeping with your head down compresses your neck and spine, restricts blood flow to the brain and puts pressure on your heart and lungs. You wake up feeling dizzy, foggy, or honestly, even more tired than before. In fact, a study by the University of Tokyo found that 63% of office workers who nap at their desks suffer from chronic neck pain, spinal issues, or deteriorating eyesight. Real rest requires proper posture, lying flat on your back or side, relaxing every muscle, and letting your breath deepen naturally. Another common myth is that the longer you nap, the better. But honestly, that's just not true. It's actually wrong. According to both Eastern and modern sleep research, the ideal nap during the midday should only be about 20 to 30 minutes. Sleeping beyond this, especially past 1 o'clock in the afternoon, can lead to yin excess and yang deficiency, which ends up creating imbalance in your body. If you nap for too long, you'll feel groggy, unmotivated, and might even struggle to fall asleep at night. Over time, it can disrupt your endocrine system and weaken your energy reserves. So really, a nap should refresh you, not trap you in a cycle of sluggishness. You know, a lot of people rush through lunch and then just, collapse into a nap right after. But that's actually a big mistake. Lying down immediately after eating can overload your digestive system, interrupt blood flow, and put extra strain on the liver and spleen. Those are two key organs when it comes to energy regulation. So what's the solution? Well, it's pretty simple. Eat lightly and wait at least 20 minutes before you think about napping. Give your food a chance to settle and let your breath return to normal. Only then is your body really ready to, truly benefit from rest. But here's the most overlooked factor, your mindset. If you go into your nap feeling stressed, distracted, or let's say scrolling through your phone, your nervous system actually stays activated. Your body might rest, but your mind definitely does not. This keeps you from fully recovering and honestly, just leads to more mental fatigue. You know, ancient masters treated the midday rest as a form of light meditation. breathing slowly, closing the eyes, and just letting go of all thoughts. True healing only begins when both your body and your mind are still. So how should you nap? First, find a quiet, dark place. Then, lie down with a pillow to support your neck. Close your eyes and just breathe deeply. Let go of all thoughts. Don't scroll, don't stress. And set an alarm for 25 minutes max. You'll wake up refreshed, recharged, and more focused, without the crash or fog that comes from napping wrong. The midday nap isn't just about sleep. It's about rhythm, balance, and deep internal healing. In a world that tells you to hustle 24/7, choosing to pause, even just for 20 minutes, might be the most radical act of self-care. So don't nap just to kill time. Nap to nurture your chi. Nap to restore your focus. Nap to live longer and better. Thank you for watching Live Healthy every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more powerful wisdom for your body, mind, and spirit.